To do that.
Show the camera.
That people so a serious thing I go on and say now.
So say it with hope and you were sure I couldn't agree that we were meant to be, but our love is what they talk about in movies. Our love is what they talk about.
What's up? I'm your girl Cavian.
Wagwan, I'm your boy Billy, which is silly.
Welcome back to Bells TV.
Welcome back to another video, people.
And from the title down below, you know what we're going to do. It's a tough crackers challenge. Excelsior water crackers. We're going to, the video
Was created by Ocean J.A.
But in her video, she used 5 tough crackers under 5 minutes, and she don't drink any water at all. But
So
we are going to put a little twist to it.
We're going to step it up a little.
We are going to do 10 tough crackers with hot pepper sauce on it, no water, under 5 minutes. So guys, if you want to try out the challenge, you can go ahead. So we have the pepper sauce, Grace Kennedy video. We use our money and buy it.
And before that, if you never try it, before they try the challenge, just visit Ocean J.A. page. That's where it originated from, and just check out their video. Yeah, people.
And we have the water here, 876 water. This is not a sponsored video. We use our money and bought it.
So we'll use that afterwards. We're not going to drink it during the
challenge. So we have the Excelsior water crackers, we have the Grace Kennedy pepper sauce, and we have the water here. And we're going to set the timer 5 minutes. And we're going to try to see if we can eat the 10 tough crackers under 5 minutes along with the pepper sauce. So let's get into the video. So guys, so the 10 crackers here.
Take up one more.
So the 10 crackers here.
10
crackers, pepper sauce.
And the timer.
5
minutes.
5 minutes. So we'll pull the pepper sauce.
Yeah. People, we're kind of nervous, but I just feel like so yo, no take a one. You see me? I'm going to be the champion for a one.
Can I have a little challenge?
You see me?
So
that's over there, so.
Alright, if you make life easier, we're going to pour the pepper sauce on the crackers.
So
what do you think? No, I'm thinking they're going to just pour and eat.
No. If do that.
Show the camera.
That people, so. A serious thing I go on and say now.
Guys,
no see the
so the pepper sauce already on it. We'll put the pepper sauce on it. So
then
the timer is
here. Right, that's so. So I'm have it right, that's so.
Press the timer, press it.
So ready? On your mark. Get
5,
set.
4, 3, 2, 1. Go. So let's go. I don't think you're sorry.
What's that? What's that?
I'm very
Mm-hmm.
3 minutes and 14 seconds. That's me. Yeah.
I'm not cut hands for that. Hmm?
So Billy done 2 minutes and 48. That's 4 months one.
Oh! Come on. No.
So good.
Come on. Ah,
I'm not going
2 minutes are done. This are baby stuff. Oh, yeah. Done, people.
Crackers can't chew us.
Champion. Champion.
If you're not done yet, it's me at 1 minute and 57 seconds. I
Oh,
can't
done.
wait.
I'm away for now, people. Me? Done. Can I drink my water? Why? That unfair, man.
Drink it then, drink it.
Me win? Come and drink my water. People, it's a soft soap. I will step it up a little bit. I don't know what's catch up. Alright, babe, what else? Go, babe, go. Go, babe, go.
I'm tired.
Pepper bun, you say pepper?
What Ocean J I this tell me for me. I want 5 more crackers with pepper sauce.
Ocean J.A. set we up. Remember to visit our channel at Ocean J.A.
Oh.
This challenge is a bomb. I'm through, but my mouth is on fire. Come on, babe. 2 months, put them 2 in your mouth.
No, sir.
Let's put them 2 in your mouth now. Let's put all of them in your mouth.
Yeah, boy. Woo!
People.
I'm not going to say that.
Oh, man, I sweat. This was a bomb challenge. You can literally see my mouth changing color.
17 seconds now, guys.
Where's the water? Just put in them 2 in your mouth, babe, man.
Can't manage.
Come on, fight it, man. That's how we can manage. Let's put a 1 to 2. Let's put a... People should go no fight. Time, I go no fight.
So guys,
People.
we eat. Talk.
She eat 9. She leave back 1. Me done halfway, people. Some water there. People. Literally fire, people. Fire. Ocean. Never again.
So guys, listen. Ocean, you're good for eat 5 crackers under 5 minutes. But let me tell you, we add on 5 extra crackers plus pepper sauce. May I challenge Urches 10 tough crackers with pepper sauce under 5 minutes.
Me I call out
May I
she
challenge
line.
She Lines.
She can't even talk.
She's
Live.
live 10 crackers under 5 minutes. Me could manage. Me eat 9 and still have 1 remaining. Billy eat film 10 under 5 minutes. In that what 2 minutes and 48 seconds.
Yeah, that half the timer.
So guys, me don't want to stretch out the video too long.
Yeah.
But I just want to say thanks to Ocean J.A. for coming up with this Tough Crackers challenge. Even though we put a little twist to it, to get the idea from her. And you can go over our channel to check out for her challenge as well. She do 5 crackers under 5 minutes. Right now, my mouth under fire. Never know say eating the sauce by itself with a hot so. And when you eat it from the food, it just give the food a flavor.
So guys,
never expect it so hot. That's what we not call out, only just do the challenge. Do the challenge, kind of fun for do. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe, comment, and share out the video so other persons can see it. And don't forget to follow our Instagram page, our Facebook page. Go ahead.
Mine is Jonah_Jenna Instagram.
What is mine?
Determine Levy.
Business page.
For the grills and more.
And our couples channel.
Cavian forever.
And don't forget to use my discount code at Lulu's Holistic Skincare. And I'm going to drop the link in the description box so you can bring it directly over the store. So don't forget to use the link, guys. They sell good organic product. They sell organic roll-on. They sell hair serum for your ear. They sell butter body for your skin. Everything is all natural. So you can go ahead, go over there and support us. Just click the link in the bio. Use our discount code Levy so you can get 10% off. And I want to do a haul on their products, so stay tuned for that. And I said, don't forget to like the video, share, comment, and subscribe. Baby, have anything you want to say? You have anybody you want to shout out?
I'm out.
And remember, guys, we're still waiting on the questions to do the Q&A. So let me see who watch all the entire video. So now drop on a question them in the comment section so we can literally do the Q&A. We're at over 1,000K. So we'd like to do our first real Q&A. So let's see you in the next video. Bye, guys.